Yo, today I'm going to show you how to get GBox on your iPhone without a computer, guys. So let's get into the video. So as you can see, I got the GBox right there. So I'm going to show you exactly to get this. It's super simple. So all you have to do is go to this website, hexmods.com. So let me just type it in. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in GBox, and it's going to come right up. So press on it, press the download button, and before this downloads, it's going to be a verification process you got to do. So you just got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store, and then you will have GBox on your phone, guys. No computer needed, no jailbreak, none of that. So as you can see, it says missing files, additional files are required. So we just need to download some of these apps. So you can see we got Travel Town. This one's like download and reach level 9. So I just press continue, go to the app store, play it till I'm level 9. And I should be good to go. So I'm just like running this right here, as you can see. So that's pretty easy, nothing too crazy. Then I can go back to the list and do some more. So I could do like Mode Casino, follow instructions on the next page, which says install the app and open it. So you just want to make sure you do 2 of these, and then you should get the GBox on your device. So yeah, you got a video you can watch, but yeah, it's super cool. So if you go to the App Store, guys, you will see it is not there. So as you can see, it is not on here, bro. We got this one, which is not the GBox, and that's it. Oh, what the heck? ES File Explorer, bro. This is so weird. This can't be real, bro. I mean, that's weird. So here's another one, GBox, and it's just not the real one. So yeah, guys, be sure to try it out for yourself. This is super cool. So hope you guys enjoy the video, but definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. This is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another one. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super crazy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps, and then you'll get the GBox for your device. So this is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, just make sure you get 2 of the apps, whatever they may be, and then you should have GBox on your device. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. Super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you later. But yeah, subscribe, guys. This is super wild. It actually is ready for you. So can you believe it? GBox is here. For all the gamers, we need to unite and install GBox. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out, my group.